Okay, so now we are in our divergence strategy. So we will be using the awesome oscillator, okay, and RSI. So how do we use this one? Awesome oscillator is this one, okay? Awesome oscillator. So from this one, this will show you any divergence, any engulfing, any change of direction, any end of trend, okay? This is the awesome oscillator. Okay? So in my trade, this is the awesome oscillator. Okay? So you can see my awesome oscillator is working. Okay? So how do we use this awesome oscillator? So for a beginner, if you see this awesome oscillator here, small, then once it crosses, then you can put your buy order here and then you can sell on the top. Okay? When you see a green candle, then you sell right away. So you buy here and then you sell here, the top. Okay? So now if you see the small candles now and going down trend, so you put a sell order. This sell order is meaning you will profit in going down the trend. Okay? So you put sell order and then once it goes down, then you take profit. Okay? So you see another reversal here, so you sell here. Okay? So that's how you use it for first way. Okay? For beginner way, you can use it with a signal. It's a signal where to buy and where to sell every crossover. Okay? So you can use 5 minutes, you can use 15 minutes. Okay? So here, we call this a bullish saucer. So 2 red, 1 green. It reveals going up. Okay? Look at this one. The chart, the awesome oscillator shows bigger, see, bigger volume here. So it's still going up, right? So here, the candle is still going up, right? But observe, the candle here is still going up. The chart is still going up, right? It's still going up. But the volume is going down. Can you see it? So here you can figure and you can realize that there is a divergence happening. Yes, the candle is still pumping, but there is no more power to continue the uptrend. It's now revealing a bearish divergence. Okay, even though it's still going up, the candle is still going up, but the volume is going down, then from here, you can short it. Wow, imagine you have that kind of tool. When you find in your awesome oscillator, oh, there is no volume anymore. It will not go up anymore. So you shorted here, you imagine your profit. It worked the same way. Okay? You made money with it. Okay, so here, how do you know if, so here, this is the another bearish saucer. So 3 green candle and then 1 red candle. So if you notice the red candle is bigger and level, then it is showing that it is going down still. Okay, the next candle is red. There is so much volume, then there will be a big volume here. So you see the continuation from here to here, still going down. Okay, and this one still going down. Okay, so that's how you use awesome oscillator. Okay, let's continue. And then a change of trend again. The bullish saucer again. Here, bullish saucer. So it might look going down, but because it says here that there is a green candle going up, so it's a sign that it's still going up. Okay, there. So the next volume went up, so it went up. Okay? So that's the berry saucer and the berry saucer the same way. Okay? So basic, the crossover where you can buy, you can sell, and then you take profit here or here. You buy here and then you take profit here and here. Let's look at the chart where we can find this in real chart. Okay, let's check for our time frame. Okay. So here we find it's going up. The wick is still going up, right? It's still higher high. It went higher. But what do you see in the volume? Did it went higher? No, it went lower. So meaning there is no enough volume. What do you see? Bearish indulgence. So what happened next? Indulging. Okay. So what happened next? It went down. Okay. So that's how you use this awesome oscillator. Let's check more. Let's check more. Okay. Look at this one. This one is going up, right? It's going up, right? So you think, oh, it's still going up. I'm gonna long here because it's still going up. And look at your awesome oscillator. Is it going up? No, it's going down. There is no volume to push it up. So better short it. Okay? So awesome oscillator, you make money again. Imagine every time you find this chart, every time you find this signal, you make money. Okay? So here, look at here. Another one here. It's going up. It's going up. And you said, oh, it went up too high already. It will not go up anymore. It will reverse already. So you think it will reverse? Let's look at the volume. From here, it's still going up. Okay? You see that volume? It's still going up. Meaning, there is still power to go up. See? It went up. It went up. There is still way that it can go up. Up to here. Up to here. Okay? So there is no sign yet that it's going down. Okay? So, how important is awesome oscillator? It's important in making money. Okay, you want to make money? Then use awesome oscillator. Okay? So let's check RSI. So what is RSI? So how do you use RSI for, okay, this is the RSI. So it will form a line between 30 and 70. So if the graph goes down, it's called oversold. It's oversold. Okay, so if it's oversold, then it means it has chance to go higher. Okay? So once it's oversold, the next thing that it will do is go higher. So if you see an oversold here, oversold, you place your buy order here because the next one will be going to the top. Okay, this is RSI method. Okay? And then overbought. When it crosses the 70, it's considered overbought here. So you place your sell order here, then it goes down, and then you make money. Okay? Let's look at some Tesla stock here. Look at Tesla. This is Tesla. Okay? Let's make a line. Look at this RSI. It's overbought, right? So this one here is overbought. So meaning, it will go down. So when it was overbought, So if you have placed a sell order here, you made money already. Okay? Now it didn't touch, so there is so much room yet to go down. Okay? So this is 1 day time frame. Okay? So this is Tesla. Okay? So I'm using RSI, I'm using Awesome Oscillator. Do you see is there a volume here? No volume anymore. Low volume, right? So uh you can see going down. So even though it looks the same, but it's still going down. Okay, if you're gonna trade Tesla. Okay? So that's how RSI works. So once it's overbought, it's a signal to buy going down. Of course, you don't just check it on 5 minutes time frame, or you check it on 1 hour time frame, you check it in 4 hours time frame, okay? So that it will be more accurate. You always check the time frame in the higher time frame, okay? Okay, so that is how you use RSI. Okay? So once it crosses, it's overbought. Once it crosses down, it's oversold. Okay, so it's overextending. So you can place your sell order here so that when it goes down, you make money. You place your buy order here, and then once it goes up, you make money. Okay, that is RSI for you. Okay? RSI. Here, the RSI. Making wonders. Okay? Okay? So, that's it for our divergence strategy. I hope you learned about RSI and Awesome Oscillator. Okay, all the best. See you in the next lesson.